Hello guys, today we will be announcing 3 cubes. One is a skweb cube, the 3x3 speed cube and the pyramincks cube. So first start with 3x3. Oh, that's really. Oh my god, see the quality of these. Oh. So nice to feel. That is speed cube, we must say that. Let's see. Okay, that's very nice. Nice packaging. Okay, we have an instruction manual. Okay. Then we will open the pyramids cube. It has a low quality packaging. Oh, that's a big cube. It's got stack. Okay, I don't know how to solve this one. Okay, we solve it like this. Okay, we can go like this. That's so weird, cube. Yeah. Do it like this. Then this one like this. Okay, like this. Oh, it's all done. I must say that's not very high quality, but it's still very good for beginners. I don't know how to solve this. Whoa, it's a 3-dimensional. Now let us move on to our full and final cube, which is the cube. Okay, it's a high quality packaging. Okay, come out of the box. It's a little dirty. How do we move this thing? Oh my god, how this thing moves. Okay, can we make this thing work? Okay, I can't move this. How to move it? How? Why is it so hard to move? Oh, okay, that's a very low quality key, I must say. Because I don't know how to move it. Okay, that's I like the 3x3 speed cube most. This was the rating of the video. Oh my god, it's so smooth. Still don't know how to move it. Still don't. Okay, what is this? Cube. I don't. Oh, I made one side. Okay. Oh. How to solve this thing? If you tell me to give a rating, I'll rate the 3x3 speed cube a 10 on 10. Yeah, that's pretty nice and pretty solved. Then I'll rate the pyramid a 4 because some of its springs are little rude. This one, you can probably not hear the voice, but I think it's a 4. And with this cube, I get a 0. Or you turn into 1. How the hell? Guys, tell me in the comments how to move this cube. We have to first learn how to move the cube before making it. Okay. This was about the quality, and cubing means to solve it. I'll give it a 2. It's a little nice, but give it a 2. Oh my god, how the hell will I solve this? Okay. Why blue? Okay, that's a pretty standard cube. And if you talk about packaging, the pyramids and skweb cube were a little bit torn, as you can see here in this. In packaging, I give it a 10 on 10, the 3x3. Speed cube, definitely coming the video fast because speed cube and not from the old one, because this was not a speed cube. Yeah. Definitely coming video. Next video will be cubes only, about cube. Okay, this is a 10 on 10 on packaging. When we were not pyramincks, I give it a 3. It was not properly kept and it was a little bit torn. And this I gave literally 1. It's full tone, you see here. So bye bye. Till next time, make sure to buy the speed cube whenever you want to buy any cube, and especially 3x3 and the 2x2. Oh, I don't even look at it. Pretty simple. So cool. Okay. Definitely not suggest the, oh my god, I mean forgot. Definitely not suggest the skweb cube. Definitely not. Definitely not suggest it. Because it's hard to move. If you guys have solved this one, tell me in the comments how to move this cube. Then let's see how I give rating. But this cube, this cube is a god. I must say that. So fast moving, so aggressive. And we're at 25 milliseconds. This and this one. Moya has made the best of these cubes. After this video, I'll see a video how to solve the pyramids cube first. Oh my god, how did it move? Definitely. Okay, that's something new. Okay, I give it a 3 out of. I gave it a 4, but I give it a 3 now because it's not able to move. Yeah. This is not orange. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 color. We don't have orange. And we don't have white. Oh my god. And this is not orange. It's red. It seems orange, but see the difference. This will have the same orange, but it's red. This is orange. How dare the cube maker did not include orange? How? Orange is my favorite color actually. Oh, okay. This thing also moves. Definitely. Okay. Does not dig in that. And bye bye. Until next time. This is one of the best cubes, and this one. If you tell me to let move, I don't know, man, it's a die. These are cards, and bye bye.